Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute intro for your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to background and I'm just going to select two colors and I'm going to place them side by side, making sure that they're separated in the middle. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but at least try to. Going to make them a little bit longer as well. Then you are going to select one of them, go to mask and select horizontal, and I'm just going to do it this way first. I'm also going to feather it out maybe at around 40%-ish. And I'm going to place it down here first, add a keyframe, and kind of in the middle you're just going to want to drag it up, and you're going to do the same, but you're going to do it the other way, so this way. Again, I'm going to feather it out 40% and I'm going to place it up instead, and then I will just bring the line down. Once you're done, just go to stickers and add in any sticker that you want. Maybe the fruits one. Let's see. Gonna place the lemon one here, and then I'm going to place this one here. It doesn't have to be this. It can be any sticker or it can be any image you want. Wait, how come this isn't? Okay, I did not add a keyframe here. Sorry about that. Let me just do this real quick. There we go. Then you're going to grab your stickers and you're going to select the slide down one for the first one, and you're going to also adjust it to the duration, so maybe 3 seconds ish. And for this one you're going to select the slide up one. Then you're going to add in a text here. You can type in anything you want. I'm going to add it around this part, and I'm going to type in vlog number 25. Again, you can type in anything you want, of course. I'm also going to change the font here real quick. And then I am going to, let me just change the outline of it. Whoops. And okay. Go to animation and then select anything that you want, maybe a fade in after. It is totally up to you. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!